Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 17th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we're still trying to figure out if this is a wave 3 or a wave C, this final wave down right here. If it's a wave C, it needs to break structure to the upside on like the 4-hour to maybe 1-hour time frame range. If it's a wave 3, then it will not break structure to the upside, but instead it will go down and break this structure to the downside, which I think would confirm a much bigger move to the downside, maybe after a pullback. So keeping all that in mind, let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, my most recent structure is actually way up here. So if price breaks these structure levels to the upside, that's what's going to help prove to me that this is a wave C on the daily time frame, and then we're back into the uptrend. If it goes up and breaks these little minor structures, that definitely doesn't tell me anything at all, except for this last wave is over. It potentially could just make another pullback to that wave and make a lower high compared to this high up here and continue down for potentially a wave 3 on the daily. For me personally, I'm definitely still recommending shorts because we do not have a breaker structure to the upside, and I still think there is a chance that this is a wave 3 and it is not a wave C. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.